Public lighting has been so integrated into daily life in a short period that it is now only acknowledged when it's absent or not functioning as it should. Long before the development of the automobile and increased crime in 1882, public lighting was first implemented in both London and New York. Until the latter half of the 20th century, an interest sparked to research the relationship between public lighting and social safety and public lighting and road safety. In the 20th century, the studies were more focused on proving the relationship between public lighting and social safety and road safety. During this period, there were different opinions on this topic. Scientists disagree on whether there is a relation between public lighting and social safety and road safety. At the beginning of the 21st century, researchers concluded that there is in fact a relation. Researchers were considering financial savings, environmental challenges, so carbon emissions, and technological innovation when studying the relation between public lighting and social safety. Therefore, the studies were done in more detail. It resulted that more factors than public lighting contribute to improving social safety. From the literature study, it can be concluded that there is no clear conclusion that only public lighting can contribute to people's sense of safety and their ability to oversee the traffic situation. It can be concluded from the literature study that there is no clear conclusion that only public lighting can contribute to people's sense of safety. In addition to literature research, an experiment was conducted from the SLIC project on the safety perception of road users at 2 locations in the Netherlands. But before I go into the experiment results, I will explain the context first. We spoke to a professor from Leeds about our idea to experiment, and he indicated that such an experiment should be done in the following way. We need to run the experiment on the same situation and around the same time around the clock change. This year's clock change took effect on the night of March 26th to March 27th, so we decided to do the experiment 1 week before the start of summertime, so Tuesday, March 22nd, 2022, and 1 week after the start of summertime, so on Tuesday, 5th of April, 2022. The experiment was conducted on 2 bicycle paths in the Netherlands. The bicycle path between Ovenhout and Gaam along the N639 and the bicycle path Korsmonsterpad between Stadspolders and Baanhoekweg in Dordrecht. For the experiment, we were at the first bicycle path from 6 to 7 p.m. and from 8 to 9 p.m. We were at the bicycle path to collect data. On the 2 dates, 24 people were interviewed in total based on a 5-point Likert skill survey with 11 questions. On the bicycle path in Ovenhout, 8 people were interviewed. On the Korsmonsterpad, 16 people were interviewed while they were on the bicycle paths. This experiment aimed to determine whether public lighting makes pedestrians and cyclists feel safe or provides a better overview of the traffic situation. Bicycle path N639 connects the city of Ovenhout and Gaam and is located along the N639. The cycle path consists of 2 paths. One of the 2 paths is only illuminated. The only light on this road is from the bicycle path. In 2019, during the reconstruction of the provincial road, the old lampposts on the carriageways were removed because of the air pollution and to protect nature from this light. As a result, this road, including the bicycle path, was not lit. In the winter, this situation led to feelings of insecurity. Due to demonstrations, smart lighting was introduced last year. These lightings are adjusted remotely based on the moment and place. So, in the morning, more light is shined to accompany school-age youth. In the evening and at night, the lamps shine less brightly, and at 10 p.m. they go out completely. And they shine when someone approaches so that nature is less bothered by light pollution. The second bicycle path is Korsmonsterpad. It is a bicycle path between Stadspolders and Baanhoekweg in Dordrecht. It connects cyclists and pedestrians to the nature and recreation area of the Merwelanden and Sliedrecht. The fastest route to get from Stadspolders to Baanhoekweg is via the bicycle lane. Since 2015, smart lighting has been installed on this bicycle path. The existing lighting was replaced by energy-efficient LED lighting. Motion sensors were also installed. Road users are detected by the motion sensor. The light switches then on and remains on for a few minutes. The light turns also on when large animals pass by. The smart lighting switches on 15 minutes before sunset and switches off 15 minutes after sunrise. Now, let's talk about our own perception. As 2 female survey takers, we felt unsafe on both bicycle paths. The bicycle path in Ulvenhout was very deserted, and on the Korsmonsterpad there was an anxious atmosphere. We were warned several times by men that we interviewed or men driving by to watch out. We encountered more male than female users on both bicycle paths. The weather on March 22nd was 19 degrees and on April 5th it was 11 degrees.